What would be the best piece of advice? And these are such hard questions for the audience. I'm sorry. The best piece of advice you've ever received?
Oh, there's a few because I just love the kind of self-help books type thing. So there's been lots of advice, but actually, good advice in person um, was when I was on my clinical training. We have what's called a viva, so it's like an exam, but a verbal exam. So you go in and you have an interview, and there's a panel of people asking you questions, and it's really frightening, and anxiety is high. And just before I went in, a lecturer said to me, "Try and enjoy it." I was like, "What?" And he said, "This is probably the only time that people are going to take a genuine interest in everything you've learnt and the research that you've done and your thesis and stuff. So just enjoy your time to kind of tell them what you've learnt and what you've been doing." And that, without me realizing it at the time, probably was a great reframe. I had all this sort of natural fear and anxiety about going into a really scary exam, and I managed to reframe it to excitement of, yeah, let's go, this is my time. And I kind of strolled on in and kind of just talked probably more freely than I would have been if I was sort of rabbit in headlights. And so, reframing is a great tool then that I kind of use with people in therapy. But yeah, for me, that I've really held on to that whenever something's frightening. So on this journey, I've done a few sort of interviews on TV and radio and stuff. And something, when you feel that kind of heart pounding thing, I've just told myself at the last second, let's go, let's enjoy this. Like, life is short. It's, what's the worst that could happen? What's the best that could happen? I could really enjoy it. And that's really, helped me along the way with those scary moments.
The number of times that we, like you said, heart racing, about to take a big exam or get on a podcast with Dr. Julie Smith, just enjoy it. Let's just enjoy this. And it doesn't happen every day.